If you watch the other cabling videos in this series, you may have already seen how to cable your Tech Tub. If so, please skip ahead to the segment on cabling your carts.
Hi, I'm Brandon, the new Product Development Manager at Copernicus Educational Products. We've updated the cable management in our Tech Tubs to make it even more straightforward, and today I'm going to show you how to cable your iPads and Chromebooks. For this video, we're going to use our Tech Tub that holds 6 devices and 10 devices. Starting with the Tech Tub for 6 devices, when you open the door, you will see an immediate difference. Based on teacher feedback, we've updated the lower compartment to make setup easier and to keep cords and adapters tidy. As you can see, the power strip cable comes out the back of the Tech Tub and can then be plugged in to charge your devices. A new feature includes easy access to the on-off switch on the power strip. With the previous version of the Tech Tub, there was a green channel running down the side of the tub. This took up space that could otherwise be used for devices or cables. This has been replaced with a simple and effective clip mechanism built into each shelf, holding the cable safely and securely in place. Cabling up each device is now faster and more straightforward. To cable devices, first connect each power cord to the power strip. This is how it looks when you cable for iPads. Starting from the bottom, push the cable through the first clip, then secure it through the second clip on the shelf. Then work your way up to the top. Now simply connect the cables to the devices. It's that simple. This is how it should look when you cable the iPads. If you have our larger Tech Tub that holds 10 devices, there's a further step when cabling your devices. All the cables and adapters are still stored in the bottom of the tub, and the bottom 4 devices are cabled in the same way as the 6-device Tech Tub. The extra step is to pass the other cables through the hole between the top and bottom compartments like so. Then simply connect the 6 devices at the top in the same way by clipping the cables into each shelf. Now, if you're cabling for iPads, then simply follow the same instructions.
Depending on which modular cart you've purchased, you will either have 4 Tech Tubs for a total of 24 devices, or a model like this one, which has a total of 32 devices. To start, the lower tubs are placed onto the cart with the notched feet going in like this. Once your bottom tubs are in place, don't forget to secure them to the cart using the provided lock inside the Tech Tub. Once the bottom tubs are in place, the top tub can be connected using the notched feet at the back and secured using the side clips like this. The next step is to run the power strip cords through the cable guide and into the power timer like this. Don't forget to repeat this for the remaining 3 tubs. The power timer works by alternating current to each of the 4 power strips. It has only one cord coming out of it that you plug into your wall. This is how you set up your modular cart for 24 devices or 32. Now we're ready to start charging.